considering I bought it off Wish for $1. What you gonna do? What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk? I'm gonna get you drunk. Get you love junk off these humps. These humps. My lovely lady lumps. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like. And today we're going to be doing this super smoky, warm, bronze, beautiful, coppery fall look, I suppose. And I just wanted to say thank you to Rebecca Martin and Paige Pagano for being the first people to comment on my last video. I really appreciate you guys' support. I wouldn't be here without you guys. Which brings me to my next topic. Please subscribe down below, because when we hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway of either a $40 palette and the blow dryer that I got in my BoxyLux, or I will be doing a giveaway of the Jeffree Star mystery box, whichever one comes out next. And you can only be entered if you subscribe down below. And just so you know, we're at 431 subscribers. Do you know how close that is to 500? Do you guys know? It's pretty fucking close. So, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. And let's just get into the video. What's the tea? I'm gonna go into this guy. Hi, dude. Just deepening up that crease just a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit more of, what's the tea? Just to blend it out just a little bit more. I'm going to take a little bit of channel. Also, just to warm it up just a little bit. I'm trying to decide what I want. Okay, let me cut my crease and we'll see, because I'm not sure yet. Going back into Hi Dude. Just placing that right there. And then I'm going to take what's the tea and channel mixed together. Put it right there. Okay. I'm going to take Girl right there, and I'm going to place it on my lid. We're going to see what it looks like, and then we'll decide from there. going to go into designer label right there, because I think it could use a little bit more dimension, just a tad. That is pretty. Alright. I'm going to go do my other eye and my face makeup off camera, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so we're going to dip back in. We're going into Hi Dude. I'm going to take that on our lower lash line, try to get it as tight as possible. Now we're going to take a little bit of What's the Tea and a little bit of Channel. Smoky and delicious. I can't wait for Halloween, guys. I'm not saying I'm gonna be good, but I'm definitely gonna try some Halloween looks. I'm definitely gonna try. I would like to get some face paints in order to do that. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Just taking a little bit of Hi Dude again. Making sure we haven't lost that depth anywhere. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to take a little bit of, what is it? Designer label. Take a little bit right there. A little bit right there. A little bit right there. Damn, Daddy. Right there. I know it's sloppy, but I also don't care that much either, so. back over it with a little bit more, but like with a brush. Kind of like, I don't know. Gorgeous. I realize I need to start wearing some big dramatic lashes, especially for Halloween and fall, and it being my favorite season. I really do. I don't know. Oh, I feel like I look so dang good right now. Like, obviously my hair is the wrong color, but it takes time. You know, you don't want to just go straight to white, otherwise you'll fry your hair to bits. But I think I look really damn good. You can disagree all you want, but I like it. My eyes look pretty. Makeup is just one of those things where even if I don't feel pretty, if I put makeup on, I feel a million times better. You know what I mean? Like, I just love it. I'm getting done with this look just in time because my battery's about to die. Okay, what do I want? I think I want to go on with this pretty berry color. Actually, yep. Okay, I have the Real Berry Me from Dose of Colors, but honestly, I want the more rusty color, so that's what we're going to go in with. We want Vibrant, and that one's just not giving it to me, so we're going to go in with the one I got off Wish. It smells like paint. It's probably not good for me. "10 out of 10 do not recommend you buy." But it is so gorgeous. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Leave some suggestions down below for some Halloween looks you'd like to see. And I'm not promising I will do them, but I am promising you that I sure as hell will try. And if I fail, you guys will see it. Don't forget to comment down below, because if you're the first person to comment down below, you will get a shout out in my next video. And when you subscribe, you are entered into my 500 subscriber giveaway. And that will either be a $40 palette, and the blow dryer that I got in my Boxy Luxe, or a Jeffree Star mystery box. Right now we're at 431, like literally so close to 500, it's ridiculous. So let's get it up there. Come on, guys. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow.